to attract the opposite sex? We offer you 12 scientifically proven ways. Science confirms, attractive people have an advantage in life. Their opinion is listened to more willingly as they automatically appear smarter and more credible. However, it appears to attract the attention of the opposite sex. It is not necessary to pull the winning ticket in this genetic lottery. Thanks to a bit of research, we can take advantage of these 12 little tricks. 1. Pearly white teeth. Scientific studies have proven that white, straight teeth can make a person much more attractive. Teeth are like the peacock's tail, concluded specialists. British Universities of Leeds and Central Lancashire. Teeth indicate good health and genetics, an indication for future offspring. 2. Eat more fruits and vegetables, for healthier skin. According to a study published in the scientific journal PLoS ONE, eating lots of vegetables and fruits, a natural way to make the skin more attractive. Fruits and vegetables contain large amounts of antioxidants and pigments which give the skin a healthy tone. In addition, the result will not take long. The study found that participants with ruddy cheeks, and the skin, became healthier all from one portion of fruits and vegetables a day. 3. Women, smile more. Research has shown that a smile can make a woman more attractive to men. 4. Men should unleash a thoughtful look. According to a study conducted by the University of British Columbia, women think the thoughtful and important look of men are more attractive than smiling. Men who look happy do not represent great interest to women. However, researchers have noted that the foregoing relates only to sexual attraction and not to the choice of a boyfriend or husband. 5. A woman who relies on fleeting flirtations. It's 6. Worth pretending to be a fool. The study, published in the journal Evolution and Human Behavior, confirmed this bitter truth. In the experiment, men who are interested in a one-night relationship preferred silly or drunken women. Smart and sober women seemed to them less physically attractive. Fortunately, when a man chooses a girlfriend for a serious relationship, the principle of selection is changed to the opposite. 7. Guys, shave beards. In a recent study, the results of which were published in Oxford Journal, it became clear that the bearded man's face appeared less attractive to women than shaving. It turned out that the bearded men seemed more aggressive, and although it seems to put their social status higher, they do not appeal to women. 8. Women, always keep on hand red lipstick. The conclusion reached by researchers at Manchester University: lips are the most attractive part of the female body, especially if they are applied with red lipstick. During the experiment, the men maintained looking at women's lips with painted red lipstick for 7 full seconds. For comparison, they looked at eyes for just 0.95 seconds, and hair, 0.85 seconds. 9. Men, at first, hide your feelings. The study, published in the journal Psychological Science, suggests that it is easier for a woman to get excited about a man if she does not understand if the man is interested. Research has shown that if a woman is not sure if the man likes her, she begins to think more about him. In general, men who seem enigmatic early in the relationship have a much better chance for a serious relationship. 10. Men, choose t-shirts with a large letter T. Oddly enough, it sounds weird, but it is quite an effective trick. Researchers from the University of Nottingham conducted an experiment and found that only a white t-shirt with a large black letter T made men 12% more attractive to the opposite sex. Scientists believe that such a t-shirt creates the illusion of broad shoulders and slim waist, that is, creates a V-shaped silhouette that seems most attractive to women. In comparison, men dressed in t-shirt with an inverted T, that is, when the horizontal line is at waist level, women seem less attractive to the same 12%. 11. A high woman's voice seems more attractive to men. Women, forget everything you were taught about a low, throaty voice, which many people associate with sexuality. To please a man, try talking to him with a more high-pitched voice. Researchers at University College London found that the higher a woman's voice, the male made the association with fragile and tiny, so it seemed attractive to the most men. 12. Men should radiate peace and serenity. According to the study, published in Royal Society B Journal, women seem to be the least attracted to men who are under constant stress. For women, a low level of stress, is a signal that the man copes with difficult situations easily, and therefore has good genes that can be inherited. Both men and women should ride on a roller coaster. A study involving more than 1,000 volunteers showed that after a joint trip to the roller coaster, partners who are not romantically involved seem to be more attracted to each other than before. And this focus somehow acts on potential partners too.